A major update just arrived in the artificial intelligence world that is sending shockwaves straight into blockchain security and decentralized finance. Anthropic has officially rolled out its newest AI model named Claude Fable 5. This is the very first publicly available version of what they call their Mythos class technology, and it represents the most capable tool for finding software vulnerabilities ever built by humankind. While this is an incredible achievement for technology, it has caused immediate anxiety among Web3 developers and also crypto investors. In this video, we will break down exactly why this model is so powerful, its incredible track record, how its safety features work, and why many cybersecurity experts believe decentralized finance might now be exposed to a completely new kind of risk. To understand the worry, we first need to look at what makes Claude Fable 5 unique. This model is purpose-built to read, analyze, and find critical bugs across massive amounts of computer software. It scores an unprecedented 78% on standard software vulnerability discovery benchmarks, meaning it can spot flaws that previous generation of AI completely missed. To use an analogy, think of a traditional code auditing like hiring a team of human building inspectors to look at a massive skyscrapers. They have to check every single brick, pipe, and wire by hand. It takes weeks and it costs a fortune, and they might still miss a tiny structural crack hidden behind the wall. Claude Fable 5 is like an advanced X-ray drone. It can fly through the entire skyscrapers in a few seconds, instantly looking through the concrete to highlight every microscopic flaw. It handles workflows across millions of words of code without losing focus, allowing it to evaluate entire digital ecosystem at once. This model's capabilities are not just theoretical. It has a proven highly intense type record. Before Fable 5 was released to the general public, Anthropic kept its underlying system hidden behind closed doors in a restricted testing phase. During that restricted period, the AI successfully found over 10,000 critical security vulnerabilities inside some of the world's most important corporate software networks. To give you an idea of how fast it operates, early testing on independent software shows staggering results. In one notable instance, the underlying AI model managed to discover 271 distinct hidden vulnerabilities inside the code of the Firefox web browser. It did this by uncovering deep logic flaws that had survived years of manual checks by top-tier human engineers. This proves that the AI could think creatively to find paths around the traditional digital security barriers. Anthropic is fully aware of how dangerous this technology could be if it were to be used maliciously. Because of this, they built strict automated safety guard layers directly into the public version of Fable 5. The primary failsafe is an automatic fallback system. If a user enters a high-risk request, such as explicitly asking the AI to write a cyber weapon, exploit a specific bank database, or build a malicious virus, the safety classifier triggers. Instead of answering, Fable 5 blocked the prompt and hands the conversation over to Claude Opus 4.8, which is an older general-purpose model without advanced hacking capabilities. Anthropic says these safety filters are tuned very conservatively, meaning they trigger in less than 5% of user sessions on average to keep the dangerous features locked away. But this brings us to the core problem. Cybersecurity experts have quickly pointed out a major flaw in this defense strategy. Changing the rules at the user interface does not change the underlying math of the model. If the AI inherently knows how to find weak points in software, clever users will always find a way to ask the question without triggering the alarm. This is where blockchain and smart contracts enter a dangerous gray zone. Smart contracts are simply public pieces of code written in language like Solidity. When a user asks Fable 5 to look at a smart contract and find logic flaws and suggest optimization, the prompt does not look like a malicious cyber attack. It looks exactly like a standard harmless coding task And because the AI is designed to excel at software engineering, it will happily point out the structural errors in the code. A bad actor can easily take that information, find a live blockchain protocol using that exact code, and exploit it to steal funds. The failsafe simply cannot distinguish between a developer trying to fix his project and a hacker looking for a target. Because of this gray zone, opinions in the crypto community is deeply divided. Many on-chain security analysts are deeply worried. They pointed out that the cost and skill required to find exploitable bugs in smart contracts are about to drop to effectively zero. In the past, hackers need years of specialized training to read complex blockchain code and find an exploit. Now, anyone with a monthly subscription can feed public on-chain code into the AI and look for vulnerabilities 24/7. This makes unaudited protocols and unverified copy-paste projects immediate target. Some security funds are already advising users to revoke token approvals and move assets to hardware wallets. On the other side of the debate, some major founders argue that the danger is being blown out of proportion. They pointed out that typical smart contracts are quite short, often just a few thousand lines of code. Human auditors and traditional security tools are highly effective at scanning these small files. In their view, the real threats to crypto will remain old-fashioned operational security mistakes, phishing attacks, and supply chain compromises, rather than advanced AI code breaking. So to sum it all up, the release of Claude Fable 5 marks a massive turning point. It shows that artificial intelligence is advancing at a speed that traditional security frameworks are struggling to keep up with. While Anthropic has done its best to implement safety fallbacks, the line between helpful software engineering and offensive cyber exploitation has become incredibly thin. Whether you are a developer or a crypto investor, this is a clear reminder that Web3 security can no longer rely on obscurity. Code must be completely bulletproof because the tools searching for its crack are now faster, cheaper, and smarter than ever before. Let me know in the comments below what you think about Fable 5 and whether or not you think that the cybersecurity issues are overblown or not. If you like this content, please go subscribe, like, and share this video, and also check out my other videos here. And that's it all from me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.